Here given question, show that one value of 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus 1 plus I cos pi by 8 by 1 plus sin pi by 8 minus I cos pi by 8 is equal to minus 1. Okay, let us start the solution. Here given LHS is equal to 1 plus sin pi by 8 plus I cos pi by 8 by 1 plus sin pi by 8 minus I cos pi by 8 whole power 8 by 3. Okay, we know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Then sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, from above is equal to 1 plus sin pi by 8 in terms of cos 90 minus 90 means pi by 2 minus pi by 8 plus I cos pi by 8 in terms of sin is sin 90 minus pi by 8 is pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Okay, similarly denominator also is 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus pi by 8 minus I sin pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Okay, we know that pi by 2 minus pi by 8, take LCM, 8 is the LCM. Okay, here 4 pi minus pi gets 3 pi by 8. So right here this whole power 8 by 3 is equal to 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 plus I into sin 3 pi by 8 by 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 here minus I sin 3 pi by 8 whole power 8 by 3. We know that submultiple formula 1 plus cos A in terms of cos is 2 cos square A by 2, and sin A equals 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. Apply these two formulas here, 1 plus cos A and sin A. Here 1 plus cos A, here sin A. Next step, apply these two formulas here. Next step, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8, 1 plus cos A formula apply here is 2 cos square 3 pi by 8 by 2 is 16 plus I into sin A formula here 2 sin A by 2, that is 3 pi by 8 by 2 is 16 into cos A by 2, cos 3 pi by 8 by 2 is cos 3 pi by 16. Okay, denominator is 2 cos square 3 pi by 16 minus I into 2 sin 3 pi by 16 into cos 3 pi by 16 whole power 8 by 3. Okay, now in numerator denominator is 2 cos 3 pi by 16 is common term. Okay, take common 2 cos 3 pi by 16 in both numerator and denominator. Then we get here cos remaining, one more cos 3 pi by 16 here, plus I into sin 3 pi by 16 by 2 into cos 3 pi by 16 into cos 3 pi by 16 minus I sin 3 pi by 16 whole power 8 by 3. Here 2 cos 3 pi by 16, 2 cos 3 pi by 16 cancel. Next is equal to cos 3 pi by 16 plus I into sin 3 pi by 16 whole power 8 by 3, and denominator is cos 3 pi by 16 minus I sin 3 pi by 16 whole power 8 by 3. We know that de Moivre's theorem is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta, and cos theta minus I sin n theta whole power n is equal to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. Apply these two formulas in numerator and denominator in above. Then we get here cos 3 pi by 16 into 8 by 3. Here n value is 8 by 3 plus I into sin 3 pi by 16 into 8 by 3, in denominator cos 3 pi by 16 into 8 by 3 minus I sin 3 pi by 16 into 8 by 3. Here 3 cancel, here 3 cancel, here also 3 cancel, 3 cancel. Okay, 8 ones are 8 twos are. Then we get next step, a cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 by cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2. Okay, we know that cos pi by 2 is equal to 0 and sin pi by 2, that is sin 90, is equal to 1. Okay, substitute these two values here, numerator and denominator. So 0 plus I into 1 is I, by 0 minus I into 1 is 1, so is equal to I by minus I. Here I cancel, then we get minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is equal to RHS. Okay, is hence proved.